Between millennial and zennial, I'm really not sure where I fit. How about the orange generation? No, not that orange. Go on, get. I'm talking about a generational orange that molded and shaped those just breaking into their 30s. From rockers, perseverance, to laid-back, manically balanced beavers. And Arnold, the original Jenny from the block. Still, there's just one show to rule them all. One show to bring them all. And in the orange, bind them. Seriously, 91 episodes and not one fire left unattended? Those were some responsible teenagers. Welcome to another episode of Man Cake. Today we are going to be making s'mores cheesecake. I love s'mores. Are you a fan of s'mores?
I love s'mores.
One of the best things to eat. I think it's an awesome flavor. Just graham cracker, chocolate, and marshmallow. I hate the mess.
It does get a little messy.
Mess is horrible. Just chocolate everywhere. Marshmallow. Are you?
I'm eating a cookie.
He's eating a cookie. He's ready for this cheesecake. Yeah, it's too much. So that's why I want to do a s'mores cheesecake. Same great flavor, minus the fire, minus the gooey mess.
Makes it easier.
Makes it so easy. And it's kind of like, I feel like Are You Afraid of the Dark would have lasted longer. Are you doing the music?
I was trying to.
Do you remember it? I don't.
A little bit.
Every time I go to start it, I do like that Goosebumps intro, that dun 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 dun. No,
That seemed a little too jazzy.
That's too, yeah, maybe like
The jazz version of Goosebumps.
Super Mario's when he's in the dungeon. But maybe if they had s'mores, they would. I feel like they would have gone longer than 91 episodes. But I don't know, it's still a great show. Wish they would remake it, at least a movie.
Ooh, a movie.
As long as they don't do it in 3D. We don't need another 3D movie to go into the crap hole.
Yeah, I don't like 3D movies. They give me headaches.
So much. So to get our basic ingredients, really simple. All we need is about 2 cups of cream cheese, a bunch of crushed graham crackers.
A bunch.
I use is about like 2 full packets. And then we need a couple of scoops of marshmallow fluff and a cup of Nutella.
Ooh, I like Nutella.
All right, you ready to get your hands dirty and start mixing?
I'm mixing.
You're gonna mix.
Okay.
All right, let's do it. So first, what you need is your cream cheese.
Cream cheese.
Yeah, so go ahead and just fill that up in the bowl. You got your spoon. Remember, you can use your hands too. Get nice and messy.
Get messy.
Baking's not just about science, it's about making a big mess and then cleaning it up.
Okay. Next,
you want to go ahead and just throw your Nutella in with the cream cheese. Again, to get that chocolate texture mix going on. Oh no. Well, at least it didn't fall on the floor.
It is a glass bowl. I have a tendency to break things.
So many glass casualties.
Sorry.
Ornament, honey. Go through some other things too, but we don't
Hot sauce. And that was a really good hot sauce too.
Now, another good thing you can do instead of Nutella is you can also melt down some chocolate chips.
Ooh.
And throw those in the mixture as well. And just go ahead and get that in a nice good mix. And get that fully incorporated so it's a nice creamy, chocolatey goodness mess. So now what we're doing is we're gonna do the crust. So you're gonna go ahead and take your graham crackers, throw in some butter, and mix it around. And since we're doing s'mores, outdoorsy, camp, just go right in with your hands.
With my hands?
With your hands.
Okay. Oh, it's hot.
Oh, it's hot. Let's get you a spoon. Don't do that.
Or did you mean to burn me?
No, I did not. I'm so sorry. And as you're mixing in the butter, you're gonna notice it's gonna start getting a little clumpy. So all you want to do is flatten those crumbles out once you put it into the pan and get that nice crust. Think it's cool enough to use your hands now?
Maybe, let's see. Yeah. It smells really good.
It smells like.
Remember Teddy Grahams?
Do you remember Teddy Grahams? What were the other ones? The you would dip them.
Dunkaroos.
Dunkaroos. Do they still make those?
I think they do.
Amazon? Amazon has everything.
They probably have it on Amazon. I wish we had Amazon like right now or whatever it's called.
Amazon. I forget what it is called. With the groceries?
Instant or whatever.
Amazon Fresh? Pantry.
There's so many different.
There's so many names.
Okay.
Alright, so go ahead and dump that into our springform pan. Now we're using a springform pan because the Smores Cheesecake, almost dropped it again. S'mores Cheesecake is going to have layers, so I definitely want to show those layers off. Why not? You're putting in so much work into this, might as well let everybody see what they're about to dig into.
Okay. Push it down.
Yep, push it down. You're going to just move the pan in your hands in a circle till you get that nice crust.
How does that look?
Looks great. You ready for the cheesecake part?
Sure.
Alright. Now before we do that though, we missed one important step.
What?
The marshmallows.
Oh, mallows.
So let's go ahead and bring back our mixing bowl and dump those marshmallows right into there.
Into here.
You might want to use your spoon instead of your hands because it's going to be a sticky mess. I mean, you can if you want to.
I'm gonna drop the ball again.
There we go.
Okay. Now what?
Now we just got to give it some nice rough circles. And also make it easier, you could also put the fluff into the microwave just for a couple of seconds just to kind of ooze it down a little bit.
Use it.
Sweating?
A little bit. Makes it so thick.
So thick. That's good things about marshmallows. They're so versatile.
Okay. Now what?
Now we dump it into our pie pan.
Okay. Put this in there.
Yep.
Oh God.
Heavy.
I'm just dropping everything.
Make sure you get all the good stuff.
I got the good stuff right here.
He really does.
Okay.
Alright, now that that's all in, you just want to smooth it around. Get it nice and leveled.
This is hard to look. Doesn't look like I'm doing a good job.
You're doing a great job.
Okay.
All good?
Think so.
Alright. Now our next and final step for the cheesecake part is just to go ahead and let this sit in the fridge or the freezer. Now if you do it in the fridge, I would let it set for about 2 hours. If you do it in the freezer, just gonna have to wait an hour.
Oh, cool.
So I want to dive into this. I don't know about you.
Yeah.
I'm so hungry. So let's pop this into the freezer and let that set for just an hour. Now that our cheesecake has set, let's go ahead and pop this onto our cake stand. And
I just want to eat it.
you just want to eat it? All right, let's get right to it. Just gonna pop that on the cake stand. it?
Oh,
Yes.
look at that.
You did a great job on the crust.
I'm so excited.
Perfect. Just do a little whipped cream decoration. Let's see.
Little dots.
Little dots. Or octopuses.
Ooh. That turned out so good. Look at that. I love it.
Looks delicious, right?
Mm-hmm.
All right. Let me get a knife and let's cut right into this bad boy. Ready?
Mm-hmm.
All right.
Ooh. It looks so good.
Ready?
Mm-hmm.
Let's put it into it. Oh, you're just jumping
Ooh.
right in. We're not waiting.
Ooh. Ooh. Got a little whipped cream. Mmm. That's so good.
Just like a s'more without the mess.
Mmm. I'm very proud of myself.
You should be. You did great.
You did a good job.
I told you it was easy.
Mhm.
You didn't think it'd be easy enough. Well, I say we pop in a movie or some Netflix binge and get to the rest of this cheesecake. What do you think?
Sounds good to me.
All right. Well, guys, be sure to hit the subscribe button and the little bell. This way you guys can be sure to get notified when we throw up some new desserts. Be sure to also, if you feel kind enough, hit that thumbs up button or thumbs down. I want to hear it all, don't you?
Mm-hmm.
It's good for us. It's good for you. All that.
Ooh.
Ready?
Mm-hmm.
All that honest feedback. Why not? And I'll be throwing this recipe onto the Facebook page. What do you think?
Sounds
Ready
good.
for this?
Oh yeah, let's go.
Let's do it. All right. See you guys next time. Bye.